welcome for your ViSalus. I'm Jalen. I'm making cupcakes.
All right. Okay, Jalen. So, what are we making again today?
Cupcakes.
Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Awesome. So we're gonna make blueberry cupcakes with a scoop of the meal replacements that Jalen can get the nutrition out of that. Okay, so it starts off. Can I just put this away, bud? I know you did all of that good work. We're gonna put the mix in. So it's just a blueberry flavored muffin mix by Betty Crocker. Oops. I don't know if we can advertise that, but whatever. Okay, bud. Okay, you pour it.
Okay.
Okay, and then
Mix.
hold on. We're gonna mix like 1 scoop of this.
Yeah.
We're gonna mix it with 1 scoop. Hold on, baby. Not yet. 1 scoop of ViSalus mix so that he can get his nutrition out of that.
Yum.
Here, pour it in. And of course, I'm gonna have some too. So I want my nutrition. Okay, let's do this together. Ready?
Yeah.
Gentle.
Good, Bill.
Good job. Okay, stir. It's all yours. All your manpower. Superman power. Where's the Superman power? See his cape? Woo! Flying. Okay. You gotta hold it over here. There you go. Stir. What does it smell like?
Good.
Yeah. Can I help you?
Yeah.
Okay. Fast. Is
Good.
that it? Is that all? You keep stirring. Keep stirring it. I want to read it. Yeah, that is. Wow. Well, that wasn't much work. Okay. But, yeah. This is something that we like to do because we get to spend time together.
It's hard.
Because he won't let me go and do things today. But I don't mind at all because I want to hang out with him too. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna do this. We'll get a big scooper. Here. Can I help you here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Maybe I should move this, hey? Okay. Do you know how to put it inside there? Ah! Can I help you? Okay, you do that, and I'll get another spoon. Okay? You can keep trying. Okay. Inside, baby. There we go. You know, a quicker way to do it is if we pour it actually. Here. It's gonna take up all the time. Okay, let's do this. Hold on, Bubba. There we go. Oh man, we're making a mess. Making a big mess. Oh man, Jalen, that's so much. That one's gonna for surely be too big. Ah!
It's okay.
It's okay?
It's an accident.
Thanks, bud. Oh man, look at the mess we're making. Look at mommy's hand.
Oh, I do wash your hands.
Okay, later. You gonna help me? Okay. Why is it only this much? Is it because you put it all in that one? What the? Jalen, did we do it right?
No.
I don't think so.
No.
It's supposed to make a dozen.
Dozen?
Like 12 of them. A dozen means 12. Anyways, this doesn't look like a dozen. This looks like only... Yay. Maybe you're supposed to take some of this, put it here, but it doesn't look right. Okay. Yeah, I don't think so, bud. I think we did this like totally wrong. Okay. So, while I'm doing this, I can explain to you what I'm wearing on my wrist. It's this here. It just tells you, it tells me actually, how much weight I've lost so far. and I've lost 12 pounds so far.
I do
And
like
it's with a minimum workout, actually. So, goes to show you that the meal replacement's really doing its magic. And I'm not starving myself. As you can see, we're even making our fun snacks with our meal replacements added on.
Yay!
Okay, so
Yay!
we'll see after. But I'll put it on pause and see how it goes after. Talk to you guys in a second.